Hey everybody, it's Hailey, and today we're going to be making some rich and creamy, delicious hot chocolate at home. And it's going to be super easy, so you can make it for all of your family and friends. It's Christmas Eve. So excited for Christmas! Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to start off, we're going to get a pot. And we're gonna add in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of sugar. And this is unsweetened cocoa powder. And then I'm just gonna use my whisk to quickly whisk those together. Okay, so then we're gonna add 4 cups of milk. Oh my gosh, I'm spilling. Okay, then we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And we're gonna whisk that together. Okay, so now you're gonna finally turn on your stove. You're gonna wanna heat this up to medium heat and whisk it constantly until it comes to a light boil. And you also just want to make sure that the chocolate chips are fully melted, and then it will be all done. All right, my hot chocolate is all done. Look at what a nice chocolatey color that is. All right, we've got ourselves a nice cup of hot chocolate, and now all that's left to do is top it. You can top this with seriously whatever you want, you know, some whipped cream, marshmallows, sprinkles, more chocolate, peppermint. The possibilities are endless. But for now, I think I'm just gonna do some whipped cream. Now it's time for the best part. We're going to try it. Very hot still. Gotta blow on it a little, it's still very hot. So chocolatey and delicious. Way better than opening a package of hot chocolate mix. You should definitely make this holiday season. It's so simple and easy, and it's so delicious. Oh, very hot. Oh my goodness, it's so good. You know, just the perfect balance of chocolatey and creamy, but it's not like too chocolatey where it's like really thick hot chocolate, because I made hot chocolate like that before. It was good, but it was way too rich. But this perfect go-to easy hot chocolate recipe. Well, anyways, thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. Comment down below what you would top your hot chocolate with. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Also, look at this cute little penguin on this cup. It's adorable.